Hi guys, we're working on our, what is it, Peppa the Parrot? I like that name. Anyway, I've gotten the legs on, and here are the claws, and the claws will of course move, right? So I put these on, and I put this on here, which is just foliage. Anyway, this one's just capped with nothing. So, all right, this is our next step. It's right here, and it is the bird, the underbelly of the bird. So that's what we're going to put together next, right? And then put it on our stand. How is everybody doing? I'm trying not to put much of this together, but this here, I searched forever to find these little claws and stuff, and all of these. I'm so afraid because I let Ember do the fish. I'm so worried that I'm not going to have all my pieces. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, okay. And then this one, I don't think it matters, but one goes on one side, and the other one goes on the other side, and then this one goes in front. So this is the front. And then both of these go on here. That is our bird's underbelly, right? All right. And then we're going to be using more of the bigger pieces than the smaller pieces, right? I don't need that huge one. I only need one that's 6. Right there. Nope, that ain't it. That's a partial. Alright. But we'll be using more of the blue ones and stuff, so to make our bird. Because now we are working on the bird, right? On the bird. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay, this one is the only side that's smooth is on this side. And it goes, all right, there. And then we have orange ones, kind of like that. But they, they are going to go here and here, right? Building out that body. And then that other one, where it only has one smooth, it's going to go out here, right? So I need, I don't know if it's in this one or not, or this one. I need a red one and a blue one, and the red one's gonna go on one side of this, and the blue is gonna go on the other side of this for this step here. Alrighty. Ooh, this looks a lot like, I mean, like a lot. Did I miss any steps? Yes, you did. right. We just got done with 43. Let's go to 44. Right? And in 44, I need one of those and an orange one just like it. And I don't know if it's in this bag or if it's in another bag. Thought I saw it in a different bag. There's one. Right? And this one is going to go here, and this one is going to go here. Then I need a big pink one, which I know is in here, and another red one, which I thought was in one of these. There's the pink. And here's the red. The red one, or the pink one's going to go on, and the red one, again, is going to go in the back. And then, I need this one. This one. This one. And I don't know where that white one's going to be. Oh, I got it. It's kind of an odd shaped one, look. So, okay, on top of here, we're going to put this one. And then, oh, I needed two of those. And then this one, I'm following this up here. And then this one. And then that second that I didn't get out. Okay. I didn't get this one out. And then this one goes on. And this is what we got. Right? And what this is going to do is this is going to go right here. I think. That's what it says. So we'll see. Okay, and now we need a long one of these. Long one. I think these are all the same size. Oh, there's one. And a short one of those. And trying to find if I could see those. I don't know that they're in here. Anyway, we've got, I don't know why I pulled those out. We don't need those. We just need one and one for this step. I was looking for this step. You need one of those, two of those, and then this step is one of these. And then this step over here is just the reverse. It needs one of those and one of those. Okay. So facing this way, this one, oh, no. This one is going to go here. This one is going to go there. And then here we've got this one. And this one. Yeah. this one. This one. Okay, and on that one we've got this one here. And then on the other side we have this one here. That's it, what I did wrong. Well, how? Okay, this is what I need. I'm looking at this here because for some reason this is supposed to be out here so that this one got this one and this one to stand into, and I don't know what is wrong. So that's the step I need to look at. No. Okay, we went you on there. And then that one on top. And then that one. And then that one. But that leaves this one. All right. And then this one went here. This one went here. This one goes here. And this one goes there, but it's different because it doesn't have two to hit onto it, but it does go. Okay. Oh, my book is tearing up and I don't like it. Okay. Does it say to add it to the body? No. Don't mean to add it to that yet. Okay. I'm not gonna. Now it says I need, now this is where I got to be really careful. There's 3 different kinds of blue. So I need this one and this one. And then three different kinds of, or shades of blue. I have this one that goes on for this step. And then I need another one of the 6 to go right there. See those different shades of blue? Yeah, gotta kind of be careful with that. Okay, now I know that's black, that next piece. I know there was a bunch of them in here. And then I need that bigger 3-tiered one, right? So this black one goes back here, and this one goes right there. Okay. It says I need a two-tiered. Must not be in here. A two-tiered and this one goes here, and then this one, and then this one goes here for this, right? And then this is supposed to hook on to here. Like a that. Okay. Okay. We got that one. And we have that one. We have that one. And we have that. And I think we need to do this twice. So I'm going to get out another piece of that one. And another that one. And I believe it's that one. And I know it's that one. So we got this one, and we're going to put it in here, and then we're going to put that one in here. This one over here, and that one there. And then we're going to do the same over here, right? We're going to do that and that. This one comes in there, and then this one comes in, and it might be reversed because I think they have to go that direction. Or anyway, okay, on here. All right, got it right way up now. This is going to go even here. This one's going to go even Steven there. We're making his body. So this is what we got. So, all right, we're going to go until we put it on the body. So what I do need is I need this one and two of the ones I believe are in here. There is this one and this one. Pretty simple. This one's going to go on 2 holes. This one's going to go on 2 holes. And then this one is going to snap on here. Right? And then this one is going to snap what? I don't know. I know it goes on here like this somewhere. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I don't know why I was trying to put it on upside down. All right. Now we've got our bird's belly on, right? These are for his wings, right? He still turns. So everybody, thank you so much for being here and sharing this with me and everything and putting up with, my... Okay. Oh no, I want it to be sturdier. Okay, and putting up with me, thank you so much. If you have not hit the like button, please consider doing so. Coming back for the next part of this build, right, which I think are the wings. So, all right, everybody, remember to take care of your little ones, your fur babies, and your elderly. The weather is changing. Today it is crappy here, and the wind is starting to really blow and rock this camper. I'm sorry if the camera has switched off. I may have to postpone some filming for today. Anyway, everybody, right, from my family to yours, we want to send you our hugs, our love, and our prayers. Remember, you never walk alone. Jesus is just a prayer away, no matter what you've done, right? Remember that Jesus and I love you. Bye, everybody. Take care of yourselves.